Okay guys, today we have a phone that was sent in to me. The guy tried to replace his girlfriend's screen on the 6S, and I'm guessing he hasn't disconnected the battery or something else went wrong during the process. The screen is missing a back shield as well. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. So let's just open up this camera. Now the phone is acting as normal without a display. So to me it's looking like the normal backlight issue we usually get. So I'm just going to wrap around the camera like that so I can work in the board without taking the board out. Right, so let's just go ahead and good focus finger. Connect the brighter. Okay, so let's go ahead and get underneath here. Let's see what the filter's looking like this area. Can you see? Yeah, I'm cleaning it up there. Cool. So to me, this filter is looking like it had a little poop, as you can see. Can you see that little poop there? Yep, you can. Okay. So this little poop over there, this little ball, means something got hot and popped. Come here, little ball. Okay. So now what we're going to do, obviously, that looks like the problem. We're getting no, let's check, we're getting nothing. We're getting no diode readings directly from the connector, which means the filter has blown and there's no connection leading from the backlight cap to the connector. So that means we will have no backlight. Let's just go ahead and I love this repair. Alright, so hold on off and moving on. So soldering iron to just pop it down into place, like so. And then we're just going to use a bit of heat to make sure it's secured. Like so. There it is. Let's just give it a little bit of a clean. Beautiful. Dry it up a little bit. There. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to test. Let's use his original screen because I know he's possibly bought it and all of that. So let's see. Let's remove the captain tape. That. And let's connect. Ta-da! So here we have fixed the 6S no backlight. If you're trying to attempt to replace your girlfriend's screen or family member's screen, always disconnect the battery or else this will happen. Thanks for sending it in. I'm going to be shipping it today. Thanks for using my service.